How's it going? Charles here with AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. I just want to make a real quick video because a lot of people are getting into the side hustle lawn care business, or trying to make a business and wondering like what kind of equipment do I buy. And you just need basic equipment, okay? You don't need nothing crazy, no swag trailer, just a trailer with equipment. So let me show you what we got. All right, so I've been using the same trailer since 2021. Okay, I started off with that 5x8 trailer right there. You just look over there, Anna. All right, now I made a pressure washing trailer. Okay, that's a 5x8. I needed a bigger trailer because I'm running 2 mowers now. Okay, so this is all I use, y'all. Okay, so as you can see, I use a utility trailer. I cover it with a tarp when I'm done. All right, this is my first mower right here. It's a 42-inch Bobcat XRZ. It's residential but commercial grade. All right, it has a good Stihl fabricated deck. All right, with the Kawasaki engine, and I got hydros for the hydros. All right, from Hydro Gear. All right, we'll start off over here. I start off with the Echo 580 T blower, but this is a 9010 blower. If you're gonna get a blower, get a 9010 blower. Trust me, it'll save you time. Don't thank me later. All right, come over, babe. Also, I have one person working with me. If I'm on the mower, if I have a chance to start blowing, I'll just pick up this and get the backyard patio. All right, this is 86 right here from Stihl 86. Okay, handheld blower. I got a little traction board right there just in case I get stuck in the mud. All right. I got 2 little cones right here just in case I'm parked right there on like a main road, traffic. I always have a cone, at least 1 cone. Okay, this is what I mainly run. This is a Bobcat XRZ. All right, this is a 52-inch. This is like a money size right here. It gets into like 95% of the gates I have. Okay, right now I'm averaging like 95 yards. So it gets into like mainly all those yards. A 52-inch. Okay, a 48-inch, you won't go wrong. Okay, I have to use this 42-inch because I'm like short like 2 inches. All right, so 42-inch for the small gates, 52-inch like almost all the gates. All right, so you can't go wrong with a 52-inch deck. All right, Anna. Okay, I got Anna. She's the owner of AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. She's the one holding the camera. I'm the operator. Always make sure you got your mowers with ratchet straps, you know, okay? All right, over here, I run 2 string trimmers and 1 edger. Okay, when I park, I ain't gonna say his name, he doesn't like being recorded. So my motivational #1 employee, he gets the edger, starts edging. I get on the mower, I start mowing. While he's done edging, he starts string trimming. And if he needs help with the string trimmer, when I'm done mowing, I'll get my string trimmer out. All right, these are the Stihl FS 91s. Stihl FS 91. This is the Edger FC 111, all commercial grade. All right. This is a 12. This is a 6x12 trailer, utility trailer. I like utility trailer because it's easy access in and out. I got me a Harbor Freight Franklin 17-foot ladder because we do gutters every now and then. So I just keep it inside the trailer. All right, come over here, babe. All right, nothing fancy, y'all. Okay, this is the real deal. Okay, it's not fancy or nothing. All right, this is the real deal back here. Let's take a peek back here, babe. All right, this is where I carry my 5-gallon jug right here, just in case I gotta fill up. I got my 2.5-gallon jug for mixed fuel. I have an extra string trimmer. This is the FS94 right here. This one's light, y'all. The FS94 is light. Thing about it is, it has a smaller gas, tank. Okay, I got the KOMBI unit right here. Just take a peek in over, babe. I got a KOMBI unit right there. I got the hedger attachment right there. Let me just show you real quick. I got the hedger attachment right here. I got an extra extension shaft I carry with me too. All right, just in case I need like a longer reach. I got me some bar oil for the chainsaw. I got a 170, Stihl 170 chain. This is all you need, y'all, okay? If you're solo, okay? This is all you really need, okay? Because this could cut down that tree right there. Show them. It could cut down that tree right there, all right? So many people, they want like branches cut down. This is all you need, okay? With the Kombi unit, I also got the pole saw attachment. All right, hey, this is money, y'all. Okay, a pole saw attachment. Okay, I'm keeping all this over here right now because you got people they're wanting to do cleanups. Hey, can't clear these branches off my fence, so that's why I have this stuff back here. Right here, y'all, I got handheld hedger, and if you look in there, I got rakes, broom. I got a pitchfork when we're doing mulch jobs. Hey, look, y'all, it's nothing big. I know it's a mess back here. It gets cleaned every now and then. You can look at me, babe. It gets cleaned every now and then, but when you're like constantly busy, you don't really got time to clean because you're tired. But this is all you need right here. Nothing fancy, nothing swag. You see all these YouTube videos, it's like, man, do they even like use their equipment? Because it's like the trailers look so nice. I mean, there are some legit guys out there who are busy and they do clean their stuff up for videos, okay, because they got the time. Me, just me and one guy, I'm done at the end of the day. That's why I haven't really been making videos this year for YouTube. I didn't really make videos last year because I've just been real busy. But this is all you need. You don't need nothing crazy, okay? Just make sure you get good equipment. Over here, I took this out. This is my first edger, FC96. There's a good edger right here. Put that back here. I did start off with a Ariens riding mower, 42-inch. Used Echo string trimmer and a Ryobi Edger. All right, that still got me by for like about 3 months, 4 months, and I started needing new equipment. Which I got that 42-inch Bobcat. I've had it since 2019. 2 years later, I got me that 52-inch right there Bobcat. All right, so it takes time, y'all. Okay, if you can't afford it, yeah, used equipment's good. But if you could get good equipment now, get good equipment now, okay? Because equipment breaks, you know, like see all this right here? You get all these tree stumps. You're hitting tree stumps, a hidden rock from overgrowth lawns. Your spindle's gonna break on that residential equipment, like that riding mower I was talking to you about. That stuff was just breaking, man. You know what I mean? But good stuff like this is good quality equipment, all right? Commercial grade. This one I bought used at my local dealer. All right, he thought of us. Hey, he called us up. He sold it to us, so I got a good deal. Down right there was brand new. It was like $4,200, but I've had it since 2019. All right, hey, I hope this helps. Good luck. Stay hydrated, and all times, God bless. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.